All right, greetings YouTube and fellow cigar box guitar enthusiasts. Del Puckett here, and I'm going to state the obvious. Not all cigar box guitars are created equal. What do you mean by that? Well, some of them have humbuckers. All right, so this one here is a toaster humbucker. And these are wide pickups. Look how wide that is. It's about 1.5 inches there, right? So what I do is I notch these dudes out. And how do I notch this out? Well, I measure first. And I measure so that the depth of this gouge right here is only deep enough precisely so that my strings are over the pickup, just barely, right? So you can see there, it's only deep enough for those strings to clear over the pickup. Now, how I gouge this out here is I just take my saw, right, and I cut little slits, right? And then I get my chisel, right, and I just chisel it out. And then I get my file, and then file it out, right? And so the reason why I go as minimally as possible here is because this is where my strength is right here, right? So as I'm gouging this out here, I'm compromising the strength of this neck, right? So I don't want to compromise as little as possible, right? So I keep this gap as small as possible, right? So that those strings clear the pickup without interfering. Another thing I like to do is extend my heel right here and make sure I have a good glue joint right here, right? So that this has got extra strength. Sometimes I'll even take it and put an extra screw right here just to have some extra reinforcement, some extra confidence. Of course, if you are doing a single coil, this gap doesn't need to be so wide right here, right? But because it is a humbucker, right, I've got to be extra wide right here. So that is it, my friends. Gouging out the neck for a humbucker.